purchase and installation of the KEBA company car wallbox is usually cheaper than the combination of an ordinary charging station with a separate electricity meter. And with our automatic charging reports via email, monthly billing is also extremely convenient. Most people who use an electric car as a company car also charge it at home. In order for this to work properly with the billing of electricity costs, either a separate electricity meter is needed for the charging station or a special charging station. And that's what we at KEBA offer now, the P30 company car wallbox. With a company vehicle, the company pays for the costs, also for the energy costs. But with an electric car, you don't drive to the gas station and use a fuel card. You fill up when the car is parked anyway. That's often overnight. So the company car is parked at the employee's home, charging private electric power. The company car wallbox from KEBA makes the exact billing of the charging power child's play. Firstly, our company car wallbox has an integrated energy meter that complies with measurement and calibration law or is MID certified. The measurement is therefore accurate and compliant in Germany, Austria and all over Europe. Secondly, access can be restricted. Only users with an RFID card can charge. Thirdly, the charging data is recorded and optionally sent automatically via email. If desired, also directly to the employer as PDF and a CSV file. This makes further processing very easy. Yes, that's of course possible, but does not lead to any conflict. If there are several EVs in the household, the charging sessions can be assigned to different users via the RFID cards. For example, one card belongs to the partner, who charges privately, and one to me, who has a company car. The charging sessions can therefore be separated clearly. So mixed use, private and business, is no problem. Just like mixed use with two company cars from different companies. That makes a second wallbox unnecessary. In some cases, the employer pays for the charging station. And even if not, the purchase and installation of the KEBA company car wallbox is usually cheaper than the combination of an ordinary charging station with a separate electricity meter. And with our automatic charging reports via email, monthly billing is also extremely convenient. It doesn't get any better than this. Of course, integrated and calibrated energy meter, either ME compliant for Germany and Austria or MID compliant for Switzerland and the rest of Europe. Automatic charging report via email for easy billing and clear assignment of charging sessions through RFID identification.